Hello CraftDee family, and welcome to another video by She's So CraftDee. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to our favorite store, the Dollar Tree, to see what's new on the shelves. Now please forgive my voice today. I'm starting to feel a little bit better, but we are going to get through this together. So let's dive in. Now I'm going to be starting off in the home decor section today, and look at these wood cutouts. Butterflies, birds, owls. These each have little tiny wood flowers in different colors inserted into them. I think that they are so gorgeous, you guys. I saw several different styles, and you guys, these sold out in a matter of days at my Dollar Tree, so if you see them, grab them up. Now another sign that I saw is this hello sign in a hexagon shape. They're in a gold metal. Here's one that says relax, that's really pretty, and in the back they had another one that said love, so this is perfect for Valentine's Day. Now, another thing that I saw here are wreath charms. Now, I don't know if I've ever seen wreath charms at my Dollar Tree. They had several different designs here in a nice spring color. They have the little string already on the back so you could tie it on to your wreath. So butterflies or bumblebees or bikes, they had you covered. Now, speaking of butterflies, look at these framed butterflies. So these almost are like a shadow box style. The butterflies are kind of floating inside of the frame. Really pretty. Comes with a gold frame. Now I did find 3 different butterfly designs. I think these are so pretty for a collage decor. Now look at these signs, they have more out. Now this has to be my favorite. Happiness is receiving what I ordered online. I mean, who doesn't love the FedEx, UPS, and Amazon truck pulling up? Here's one, it's got probably over a thanking everything. That's got to be totally me. And then they have here the first 5 days after the weekend are the worst. You guys, they had several different new of these plank signs. You can use these as is, or you can use them in DIYs, you guys. So always keep that in mind if you decide to get these. Now look at these little vases. Now these are the same style vases that have those candles at the Dollar Tree, but now they are empty. You can make your own candles or use these for vases as intended. Now then, look at this in the Farmhouse collection. They had the pigs, the cows, and the ducks. These are already embellished with little sayings. They're so cute, so you don't even need to break out your Cricut for these. They're already done for you. Now we've seen a lot of these things in my past walkthroughs, but one thing that was new today are these fence style signs with hooks. Now they had this one with planks that said home. It's got 2 metal hooks on the bottom. They also had another one that said love with 2 little hooks as well. So those 2 were new to my Dollar Tree. And check these out. These iridescent vases are so gorgeous. They had them in a couple of different colors. Most of them have like a rainbow style. You guys, these are beautiful, but I plan to DIY with these. Now, if you guys haven't heard about the Kind brand, these are a new line of items in the stationery. So they had little pens and things like that are earth friendly. This is a new line that the Dollar Tree has been carrying, and this is the first time I've ever seen it in my stores. Now besides the pens, they also have these little notepads, so they all have kind of the earth friendly sayings on them. I did only find 2 different styles at my Dollar Tree, but they all have lined paper inside as a notebook. Now another Kind item that they have are these little hexagon cork pieces. Now on the back of these is peel and stick. So you can actually use these in crafts, office organization, or whatever you may want to use. Now this is another one of the Kind items, and this is a 3-ring binder. Now this comes with that craft cover. It's a really thick board on here, and you can see it has the metal 3-ring binder inside. You guys, these items in the Kind collection are very high-end looking, so I would give them a try. Now this isn't a part of the Kind collection. This is actually made by Jot, but it looks like it will blend right into the collection, and this is a pen and pencil organizer. Now, speaking of organization, look at these items that I saw also in the supply aisle. This is a diagonal organizer that has different heights. You guys, when I saw this, I thought this would be perfect to put together to organize craft supplies, and they do come in an assortment of colors. You could get 2 or 3 of these and order lots of paint brushes and things like that. Now, in the craft section, the stencils are back. A lot of the farmhouse style stencils are really popular. I was so excited to see these restocked at my Dollar Tree, and I have crafted with a few of these. But this one here, I have never seen, and I definitely picked that one up for my crafts. Here's another new one to my Dollar Tree. This mandala one is really pretty, and flowers. You guys, if you've ever used the stencils at Dollar Tree, let me know in the comments below. Now, another fun item returning in the craft section are these mesh ribbon pieces. They have them in a brown, an ivory, a white, a green, and a khaki color. You guys, these sold out super quick last year at my Dollar Tree, so I am happy to see those back. Now, last week I featured the plank style signs in black, but I did find the white this week and also the stained versions. So if you're on the lookout for this, just be consistent, check a few times a week, and you'll come across them. Now, my Dollar Tree has a lot of spring signs out this year, and this is just one of them. Grow with Love, really cute. And then they have this one here that has the flowers, the butterflies, the watering can on a ribbon. You could use these together or separate them for your crafts. Now check out this little truck. It's got a little flower can in the back there, and they also had one here with a gnome with flowers. Now, they did have a variety of tableware, including the tablecloths in floral and checkered designs. I think these are so spring looking. And then they have coasters. These felt flower coasters are such great quality. I honestly think they're too good for just coasters. I would definitely use these in crafts because they are thick and very durable. I did see these in 4 different styles and 4 different colors, so definitely grab these for crafting. Now, check out this spring tableware, you guys. When I first looked at this, I thought it was metal, but these are plastic. These come in 12 count packages in pastel spring colors. I would definitely reuse these. Just wash them in between. They're just too good to use once and throw away. Now, they did have these pom-pom garland in the spring section as well. These are 5 foot long, and again, you can use this as a garland or cut them apart to use in crafts individually. And check out these beautiful plates. Now, you guys, if you are having a spring party or a spring gathering, or even for crafts, these plates are very nice. They have lavender, yellow, they have blue and pink, such pretty colors. Now, for candy and ice cream and things like that, look at these beautiful little cups. I think these are just so adorable in all of their color combinations for spring. I can even possibly see a craft with these, so I definitely picked one up. Now, peeking out at the bottom, I did find this truck plate. So this is Welcome Spring. It's got the truck with a little flag and flowers in the back. And then they have coordinating napkins. Now, if you love to use these as is or decoupage, these would make beautiful crafts. Now, look at these little jars here with the little spring owls on them. Now, they did have some little hearts on them, so you could use them for Valentine's Day as well. But I just thought that these were adorable. And look, all of the hats are back. If you guys follow me, you know I love these little straw woven hats. I use these in DIYs all of the time. Grab them now for crafts year round. Now, in the health and beauty, this is also back as well. These little containers that open up, they have a little tray and a mirror inside. I think these are such a bargain for $1.25, and you could use your Cricut machine to customize them and give them as gifts. Now, this was really exciting in the health and beauty. They have the different skin tones for the Band-Aid, you guys. We as crafters always have boo-boos in our craft room. I'm so excited to see the different skin tones because there's nothing more ugly than having a light bandage on darker skin. So I love that they're diverse in the colors of their bandages now. Now in the toy section, look at these. They have a lot of Disney and Pixar characters. I was really excited to see these because for $1.25, if you are a collector, these are perfect. And you hardly ever see the Disney or Pixar line here. So grab these while you see them. I have a feeling these will not last long. Now this is the time to organize, and the organization items are coming out fierce, you guys. They have the little 2-pack containers, all in the beautiful bright spring colors. They also have the single packs. Now this one here has 2 compartments, which is really fun, in those same colors. And you not only have to use these as for food, you can use these for organization. So they have these in the square and rectangular sizes. They also have the matching drinkware as well. Now my favorites are all of the baskets that they come out with this year. This coral one is gorgeous. I love the size of it and the 2 handles. It's so convenient. They also have coordinating trash cans in the same color. Now here's another one of my favorite baskets. This is the round basket with the handles. The design of it is gorgeous. These are perfect for organizing pantries, under the sink, or any space you just want to stash away things neatly. Now they did have the rectangular baskets, all with these beautifully cut out designs, all in the spring colors. Now this basket here is probably one of my favorites if I'm heading out to the beach or something like that. That way the sand can be shaken off, little flip-flops and things like that. And then of course they have these square containers. So these are large and deep, perfect for storing away things. And then they have the flat rectangular baskets with that same beautiful cutout and all of those beautiful spring colors. Now here's another container that I saw was new to my Dollar Tree. The lid matches the bottom of the container. I've never seen this before. I did see this in this really pretty blue color. I also saw it in gray, and then they have it in black. So I saw 3 colors of this style of container at my Dollar Tree. Now in the Easter section, what I saw new were these dish towels with all of the Easter eggs on them. I could see these used in so many ways, and they also have the little bunny inside the Easter basket on a towel as well. Another item I saw, look at these lanterns. So they have these Easter style lanterns at the Dollar Tree. They all have the little LED candle inside. Here's one that's natural with a little cross. And they even had ones with bright colors on them. I've never seen these before ever at my Dollar Tree. These were a new item on the shelves. Now we're going to skip over to the plus section of the Dollar Tree, and the first thing I saw was this huge wreath. So if you look, it has a little gingham check dot type of shred on there with little Easter eggs on it. I did see them in pink and blue at my Dollar Tree for $5. Here's another cute item for $5. It's a wood box that is filled with tulips and greenery and this little bunny at the top. I think this is so adorable. Now here's a fun item too. This is a golden egg filled with large Easter eggs, you guys. This is only $5 and you get a ton of eggs with this item. Perfect for Easter for the kiddos. And this has to be one of the best finds of the day. This 2-tier tray. Now this is designed as a cupcake holder, but you definitely can use it for so much more. Now they had it in white, light blue. They have this mint green and yellow. You guys, these were such an awesome find. I think that the Dollar Tree is definitely stepping up their game, and for $5, this is such a good deal. Now look at these carrots. These are stuffed carrots. They had black and white check, and they had orange and white check in these carrots. The bundle of 3 is only $3. That's only $1 a piece. Now I think Dollar Tree has sold single ones for $1.25, so this is a better deal. Now check this out. These are egg lighting kits, you guys. They have the 12 count Easter strung lights for $5. And look at these peeps. So this is a light up peep actually. So I looked inside, it had a light inside. How cute would that be for decor? They only had 2 left at my Dollar Tree, and these are the Peeps brand. Now, if you're looking for a furry Easter basket, they had a variety for $5 in different characters and shape, and I think that these plush Easter baskets are so cute. Now, I know some of you don't have a Dollar Tree Plus section in your stores, but no worries, I've got you covered. I have a video on my channel that will answer the top asked questions about the Dollar Tree Plus items, as well as show you step-by-step how to purchase some of these items online in quantities as small as 1 item, not an entire case. Just click the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring tons of Easter, spring, and farmhouse finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided down in the description box. I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see what I create with my finds, my DIY videos will be on Tuesdays and Fridays, so set your alarm so you don't miss it. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, in this video, I featured this awesome 2-tier tray, which was one of my favorite finds today. Now, I did buy 1 extra tray in white, and I'll be giving it away to 1 lucky viewer. Now, to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is just leave a comment below answering this question. Now, how would you decorate or use this tray in your home decor? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, February 7th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry in this contest. I wish everyone good luck. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know what was your most exciting find at Dollar Tree recently. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.